Good morning, folks. There is a saying, you become the food that you are eating. If you connect the correlation between body and soil, you will find similarity between the transmuting capabilities of soil and body are quite similar. The assimilation of the food, which can easily be converted into soil, is loved by our body, by our vitality, and obviously by our digestive system. Here the easily is to be taken as the shortest time to get converted. Think about a mango. The pulp of the mango gets converted into soil faster than the skin and seed. Then the decision is the pulp is loved by our body. Now you should relate with other foods and get the answer yourself if that food is good for you or not. I shall cover this elaborately under the topic of input-based good habit in the forthcoming lectures. The food which is not easily assimilated in the body, either stored as morbid matters or toxins, if not eliminated by the body, and that causes toxemia. That is our topic today. Let's start. Toxemia is accumulation of uneliminated toxins. Now, toxins come from two sources in the body. One is the internal toxins, which is generated in our own bodily metabolism. For example, the carbon dioxide produced by the metabolism process, which is toxin, and also few bacterias, harmful bacterias, also generated in the fermentation of undigested food inside our body. So those are also toxins. So you need not to worry about again this microorganism, harmful microorganisms conception, because body identifies it and eliminates. Just we need to focus on the vitality, which helps to eliminate the toxins. And also under the internal toxins, you see the negative thoughts also is considered as toxin. It is deeply connected through a neuro-linguistic process with our body. So we'll cover this negative thoughts and how to manage our thoughts in the specific topic in future. Now coming to the second source of external toxin, which is chemicals in our food, air, water, and obviously in the medicines. So medicines don't understand our body, and body doesn't identify medicines. So apparently it helps us to suppress the specific condition for that particular moment, but it is nowhere connected to the cure at all. As I repeatedly mention that the body is the best friend of self. In this universe, everybody loves to maintain its existence. That is the innate capability of every organisms. In the same direction, body also works continuously 24/7. It never stops. At every moment, our body tries to maintain the homeostasis or the balance with minute precision under every situation. It is applied to everybody. even who abuses body with wrong inputs and unmindful outputs, his body or her body is also sincere enough to maintain its homeostasis to its threshold. This threshold, as rightly mentioned by one of the participants today, is body's limit to maintain the wellness of its master, which is us, ourselves. The toxin removal process operates continuously. Breathe out process is a major example of that continuous toxin elimination. Normal elimination processes happens through stool, urine, sweat, menstrual flow, mucus deposition in eyes, nose, genitals, etc. What is coming out of the body other than the reproductive fluids or sperms in case of male gender are toxins. When body understands that the normal process of elimination is not enough, then first it tries to trigger some acute condition as fever, flu, etc. to open up the special elimination process. But if the vitality of the body does not allow due to lack of force in it, then the toxins are deposited in the body for future chronic conditions. As we have already discussed in our last lecture, this deposition happen in our blood streams, lymphatic fluids, joints, and in different organs of the body. The symptoms of saturation of toxin in bodily fluid is often experienced by us with the onset of tiredness. Instant resting allows the vitality to eliminate the toxin and repair the problem. That's how the resting rejuvenates us. I shall conclude today's lecture with this slide. The innervation or the depletion of energy and toxemia is connected in a critical vicious circle. Accumulation of toxin in the body consumes energy as body tries to eliminate it continuously. When energy depletes beyond a limit, which is uniquely different person to person, it causes innervation. Innervation causes more and more toxin deposition if the lifestyle is not reversed. Eventually, toxemia intensifies. When toxemia intensifies and lifestyle is not reversed, innervation increases. This cycle goes on and on if the reversal of lifestyle does not happen and the problem gets worsened. I tried to establish the main point that without mindful understanding, we torture our body, and the body is the most obedient friend of us. Let's take the responsibility and reverse our lifestyle and enjoy the wellness till our death. This is the most important aspect. Death is a fact which cannot be avoided, but decayed to death is pleasurable, far more pleasurable than diseased to death. Trust me, being alive for at least 100 years for human, if there is no accidental death happens, is absolutely normal. I am going to stay healthy and alive for more than 100 years, for sure. Are you ready to join me? Think. Thank you.